Here it comes. Oh, he is on top of the building. You're right. Oh my gosh. Oh, here it comes. It's going to be a big boom on this one. Here we go, you guys. Watch. Oh, booyah! Booyah! Yeah.
Mabuhay, Pilipinas!
Mabuhay. Real high. Hey, Vern. Hey guys, Vern Yankee, welcome back. I'm here at Camp Anver and it is about 4 p.m. and the clouds are rolling in. It's starting to get cold up here and we ended up buying some jackets, some used jackets here at the store, and these were 150 pesos each. And I'm telling you what, after the first cold night, these things rock. So our cook extraordinaire, Angela, is cooking up some food here. Let's check it out. She's cooking away. There we go. So we're gonna have a pancit with vegetables, with pork, and with some rice. She's making the rice right now. Now I'll tell you what, one thing I'm really impressed, it's so windy. Look at how windy this is, you guys. It's so windy out, yet this stove is still able to cope. You can kind of hear it's having a little bit of a fit, but it's still going. This is that Meyer stove. I'm so impressed with this Meyer stove. And this was cheaper than I thought. What did I pay for this? 600 pesos? Yeah, 600 pesos. I thought this was a more expensive stove. But this burner on it is so well designed. It just rocks, and it's got a beautiful flame, and it stays lit even in these strong windy situations. Really happy with the Meyer stove. So if you need a camp, buy one of these stoves, man. What a great deal. She's working away, man. She's a trooper. She's a keeper. She's a keeper, not a weeper. I got her now. There we go. All right, we're rocking out. So we're having a great time, you guys. We're here right next to our tent. We're at Camp Anver again. It's very cold out. I mean, for us it's cold because we're not used to it. And there's some other tent campers out here. They're using the pool. There's actually swimming right now, believe it or not. And there's another group here that use the cabana, and I believe the rooms are booked up tonight. So all 7 rooms are booked. And tomorrow there's going to be a huge camping group here. I think like 20 tents or something really big. So I'm kind of excited to meet those guys. They're going to be here for a night. So we've got, let's see, I think 1 or 2 other nights, and then we're heading back. All right, against all odds, windy as heck. Look what she made. Pancit. She is the chef Chatel here of the cooking campsite. Nice job, Angela. All right, you guys, my superstar and I are going for a little walk on this muddy country road today. Beautiful out here, though. I'll show you where we're at. Just a postcard through here, you guys. Just a freaking postcard. Unbelievable. Just love this valley in here. Just so awesome. All right, guys, we're gonna have a little snack here. This place called Lasting View. Let's check it out. All right. Hello. Mein Buntag. Mein Aga. Look at this view, you guys. Unbelievable. Look at that. That's a $1 million view right here, you guys. Look at that. Stellar. Look at the little birdies. Parakeet. This little one here is kind of cute. I wonder what that is. Beautiful. Don Salvador Benedicto, you guys. Incredible area. All right, so we got another area we can walk down to. Check this out. Little bamboo area to this overlook here, complete with cat. I don't know, I was getting nervous walking on bamboo and hearing a creek. It's okay, kitty. You're fine. We're not going to turn you into kitty lechin, not like the rabbit that they're cooking over there. Having rabbit lechin. I think Angela kind of freaked out over that. All right, looks to be a little walkway down here also. Not sure where this goes. Always curious. Always got to know. Huh, where this all goes. Down the hill somewhere. That's interesting. Over to here. These little rentals, what are these? It's an exit. No, that's the rabbits. I guess that's where they're keeping the food. Okay. Well, at least we know the potential food. There's my superstar. Getting some selfie action going. So say again, Langa means what?
Like love?
Your future love? Oh, how sweet. How sweet it is. How sweet. Langa. What's the other word?
Langa future ko.
Oh, futurco.
1, 2, 3.
Karaoke time with the girls today.
Hey, 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 Vern.